Hey Fortnite players, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to activate two-factor authentication on your Fortnite account. First, head over to storeepicgames.com and log into your account. Once logged in, click on your username at the top right corner and select account. Go to Passwords and Security in your account. Look for Password and Security tab. Scroll down to the two-factor authentication section at the bottom. Now, choose one of the three 2FA methods: Authenticator app, or email verification, or SMS authentication. For example, if you choose SMS, enter your phone number and verify it with the code sent via text. Finally, return to Passwords and Security section and check if your chosen 2FA method is active. You can even select a primary method if you've enabled more than one. And that's it, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.